I'm with a couple people right now from LA, and they are having a hard time with the snow right now. Like a really hard time. The Uber driver was like, come outside, and my buddy Nick was like, outside, it's snowing though. And even when I came here, I'm like, I should have brought gloves or something, but everyone else, I feel bad. My heart breaks. So crazy to me that that is a TV, and that is a TV, and that is a TV, and that is a TV. So Samsung going ahead and giving me something I really did not know I wanted, and now I don't need it, but I really want it so badly. I feel like I need it. I want to be able to turn my TV off and have it look like a painting, or look like the wall behind it. Ambient mode, pretty wild. I really put an emphasis on the T when I said ambient mode. I didn't want you to think I was saying ambient mode, which is completely different. Ambient mode is like, uh-oh, best get to sleep real quick before I say something stupid, because I always say something stupid on ambient. Okay. Is that little dust in the middle? That's the pollen?
Yeah, that's bee pollen. Yeah, it's just
and who sanctioned that putting inside a drink? Whose idea is this?
Mine.
You're crazy, man. This guy's crazy. Whoa. Oh my god. Bee pollen. Not something I ever thought I needed in drinks, but now I want it in every drink. Can you put bee pollen in anything? Where do you get this bee pollen? How many bees you kill for this pollen?
I personally enjoy it.
Sounds like he murders a lot of bees. Let's find out. Are you allergic to bees? Oh, too bad. Well, no, that's not too bad. That's fine. Now, she asked if you're allergic to bees, can you still enjoy bee pollen? We don't know. So, if any of you guys have bee allergies, let me know in the comment section. Guys, I'm here with Alex Costa,
guys?
with a C, not a K. Check out his stuff.
Check out his TV.
Yeah, check out the TV behind him. What, you think that's a painting? It's not.
It's wild.
It is really wild. And we actually met on set a while back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we were on Bumble. Bumble. I was the bumbly and he was the bumbler.
Yeah, I swipe right, he swiped right.
Yeah.
Said, you have beautiful eyes. You know how it goes.
Actually, no, my Tinder, when I did have one, my Tinder profile, all it said was I'm tall and I have a job. Because I figured if I tried to be funny, it'll be creepy or weird, so.
That's the bar. That's good.
Alex actually asked, he's like, is it going to screw us that this music's playing? And I'm like, we're making YouTube, not art, so it's fine. But we're here tripping out on these TVs. And we met a while back. I had a gaming channel. He had a gaming channel, but he does men's fashion now.
I do.
Don't act like you guys didn't know that.
Come on.
If you're wearing a turtleneck and you don't look like a creep, or you don't look like someone's deranged uncle, or you're not the corpse of Steve Jobs, then you absolutely run a men's fashion channel.
Like I'm rocking the Steve Jobs look today.
It's like you got the sexy Steve Jobs going on. Yeah. Sexy Steve Jobs cosplay.
You could rock a turtleneck.
I love turtlenecks. I've been looking for a long turtleneck. I've actually Googled it multiple times. I want a turtleneck. I just want it to be a bit longer. Because turtlenecks are made shorter, I feel like. What's up with that?
And these shrink.
And they shrink. Yeah. I hang dry all my clothes.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah.
It's better than me. Yeah.
And I did bust this out because I had something to say, but I forgot it. Anyways, regardless, check out Alex Costa's channel because you know he helped us back in the day with our gaming channel, and now he's doing his own thing. Yeah, back when he was on the other side, when he was back when he was a fucking suit. All right, no, I'm just kidding. All right. It comes together in the edit. I even have to keep that part here where I say that out loud for the edit. Because I actually never edit it. I just keep it rolling and put it up as one chunk.
Oh, dude.
And then I always tell people, like, it comes together in the edit, and then I don't edit it.
I know.
So I came into town, not for a long period of time, a short period of time. I'm heading back to Montreal now, but I got to see the futures of television, and I got to get my hands on one of these bad boys. And this is probably my shortest trip to New York City ever. I love the city, but I can't believe how much more Canada New York is right now versus Canada. When I left Toronto, like, weather was good, like in the positive. Like I said, Celsius. Now it's like snowing like crazy out here. And this loft that we're in is so insane, craziest loft. This loft is in the middle of New York City, so if you have this space, like this is your spot, like you have arrived, literally. The cost of this place is probably like a 40. Remember that house we used to stay at way back a couple of years ago on all those really expensive looking kitchen epic meals? Or even like the FaZe Banks house, the Cloud House, that's like 40K a month. That's probably what this place is. But in LA, you get a house with 40 rooms. Here, you get this loft. Not that there's anything wrong with it, it's incredible. But this is fucking New York City. You get a floor, that's it. Incredible. I love it here. So crazy, I was just walking by and this guy was like, can you whisper bacon in my ear? And I was like, that's weird. Why? Like, just like that. He was like, yeah, whisper it in my ear. I did, and then he made me kiss his earlobe. I kissed it off camera though. Everything I'm saying is true. All right, man. Thanks so much, by the way. You're welcome. I put the handshake up here so that it catches on camera. All right. So they know. Thank you. All right, it comes together in the edit, by the way. All right, great. Thanks. No, it doesn't. It's gonna be awkward and terrible in the edit also. That's perfect. Yeah, get out of here. All right, so I went to the airport and my flight got canceled. Actually, every single flight out of New York got canceled because of snow and ice, and so I'm stuck here. And it's too bad because I had a vlog that was supposed to go up today, and I don't have my computer with me. I don't feel like giving out my password to anyone. Oh, actually, I could download it. I could download it and upload it. I just need to get to a computer that would allow me to download a 2 GB file. But regardless, it'll only be a day. I'll be back, you know, home tomorrow morning early. So, alright, just gotta make it through the night. I'm already bored. I wish I brought my Switch. I drop them all the time, so I just gotta... Oh! It's a joke. Screenshot this, tweet it at us. Well, what? I never even turned the camera off. That's what we do. Long style. I never even stop, not even for a second. It comes together. It comes together in the edit.
It's tweeting.
Oh, pump fake! I don't edit it. I keep it up as one chunk. I don't have time to cut this shit up. Let's be real here.
That's an editing term.
Oh, sipping on that Hennessy.
Absolutely.
Is that Hennessy?
Instead of champagne and strawberries.
Is that Hennessy?
Champagne and strawberries.
Oh, champagne and strawberries.
I thought it was Hennessy too.
Guys, champagne and strawberries. You know that's the name of my autobiography.
Absolutely. Sugary man right here, man. Happy to be here.
You know it. Guys, John Duras.
Hey, we're doing a collab right now.
What? I don't tell them stuff like that unless I know it's absolutely going down, because otherwise there's so many...
We're gonna play a video game
There's
soon.
so many promises that don't happen. Guys, did you ever see Snapper Hero?
Hashtag Snapper Hero.
Yeah. Did you know that they did?
No. Did you know that randomly?
Oh, he just hijacked the vlog. What?
Did you know that randomly, like Freddie Wong and his buddy were out in the mountain just exploring, and then they found that hut, and Corridor never cleaned up the crazy stuff? Did you hear
So
that?
I was there that day.
Oh, you were there.
Not the day Freddie Wong, but what we did was we did a whole movie where I'm obsessed with Freddie Wong. So I made a real altar to Freddie Wong.
And then left
He
it
plays
there.
himself. And when we left, Nico and Sam were like, let's leave this altar for Freddie Wong, and someone will find it and be like, what the fuck? It turns out the next person that filmed there 3 years later was Freddie Wong.
And he found himself. Imagine how creepy that is. You're in the woods and you find an altar with your name.
Did.
Like,
We
it was
made an
sketchy.
altar.
It was
We
like
made an
connected
altar.
with yarn.
We made an altar to
Throw
Freddie
up a
Wong.
picture of it. Go
Yeah,
find the
show
picture.
it. There it is. Oh, sorry. If I didn't put it up, guys, I'm sorry. But go find it yourselves, you lazy fucks.
Bye. Collab's over.
Yeah,
Bye.
okay. Finally, 48 hours later. Fuck. Oh my god. Finally heading back home now, getting on the plane. Gonna be a short flight, so. I'm on this plane for real. For real, this is the plane that I'm on in real life right now. Yo, it's okay, boys, I'm back home. Don't even worry, Young Santos.
Yes.
First time on the vlog. Got you, Dan.
I was really worried, man.
You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, your boy's here. Okay, what do we do? $1 million pizza?
Yep.
5,000 pound sushi?
$1 million pizza.
Yeah, fried donkey dick? Whatever. Hit the subscribe button. Shabamu! Craft barge.